Robert Kiyosaki, the mastermind behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has a clear message for 2024. Safeguard your wealth with gold and silver. Amid looming market crashes and economic instability, he stands firm on these precious metals as crucial assets for financial security. Gold's journey, as followed by Kiyosaki, is remarkable. Its value has surged from a modest $50 an ounce, reflecting Kiyosaki's foresight. In recent years, gold has proven resilient, especially during periods of Federal Reserve uncertainty. By the end of 2024, gold prices might climb between $2,100 and $2,300 per ounce, considering economic uncertainties and its investment appeal. Reflecting on its trajectory, silver has shown remarkable growth, from $15.49 per ounce 5 years ago to $23.54 today, a nearly 50% increase. The Gov Capital Silver Price Forecast suggests a bullish trend for silver, projecting it to surpass $37 by the end of 2024, with the potential to breach $40 per ounce. This uptrend is expected to continue, fueled by rising interest rates and a devaluing US dollar, intensifying investment demand for precious metals. Gold and silver are not just investments, they are your protection against the ups and downs and unpredictability of regular money. When the economy is uncertain, intelligent people turn to these classic metals. As you navigate the complexities of financial planning, remember Kiyosaki's insights on gold and silver. Stay ahead by staying informed. Remember to subscribe and check the following video.